Welcome to a vlog, y'all. I asked on Instagram what kind of video content you wanted to see from me on YouTube because I have been trying to make an active effort to be more consistent on here and push out more content on here, and a lot of people asked for vlogs, and personally I'm not sure why, because I don't think I'm that interesting, but I appreciate y'all for wanting to watch vlogs. So I'm going to make a more active effort to go outside and record the things I do. So that is a terrible hairdo, but I'm hot, so I had to put my hair up. So I just got home from work. I don't know if I said that. It's been a really long day, so I put on my home clothes. And I got a package. You guys are you're sitting on the package, actually. So for the past couple months, or couple weeks, maybe the past month, I have been trying to change up my filming space. I was just getting tired of it, and I felt like you guys kept seeing the same thing and it was kind of empty. So this rack here is the old filming rack that I used for the clothes, and then this one is the newer one that you guys have seen in more recent videos. And I have my fiddle leaf fig over there. She's happy and thriving. And then today my chair came in. So I'm showing you guys my chair. I have ordered a pillow cover. I just have to go pick it up. Yeah. And then we're going to the Raptors game, so we can get ready and go to the Raptors game together. So basically this would be the filming space, plus a cute little checkered pillow there, and then a good rug. But yeah, we'll see. I really like it. The chair is low itself, but it's kind of like an accent chair. And I'll see when I can find a rug and a pillow, or bring my pillowcase, or my decorative pillow for this. If I want to paint this guy darker or lighter. Either I'm gonna go black, or I'm gonna go like a eggshell color for the big planter. It's really nice, but it's gray, and like nothing here is really gray. It's a little more like warm tones, so we'll see. Anyways, okay, yeah. I'll see y'all in a minute when we get ready for the game.
A few moments later.
So I was gonna do a whole cute little like get ready part of the vlog for the game, but then Daryl started yelling.
What?
Well, he wants to go eat downtown, so I gotta get ready fast.
What are you talking to?
My vlog. Just yelling. Yelling!
Get out of here, bro.
So now I have to get ready really fast. What the hell is
I
that?
believe you.
You can't.
Go watch the game.
I need pants. I guess I can wear these. Huh?
And I will. Watch me.
Did you do the blacks? The dark colors? That oversized black shirt that I had? Where is it?
Probably.
It's you.
Either that, or if you wore Lisa.
I wore it in Baltimore.
It's in there.
Oh, God. He's the
Right there.
worst. He's the worst! The worst! I'm wearing my Skims body, my Margiela jeans. Pardon? Can you put, okay, so you open the thing, the top, and put a pod in. Put the yellow pod in.
Yellow pod.
There's pods underneath.
Gold?
Yeah, that's the one. The small one? On the left?
Yeah.
Yeah, put that in.
In where?
The top.
Oh, the top open.
There's a little thing, like a lever that you move to the side.
So then help it pop out.
Exactly, it's supposed to, it's fine. Now put the pod in and close it, and then put a cup underneath and press the top button. We made it to the car. Hello, husband.
Let's go.
With so much sun. I forgot sunglasses. Anywho, we made it to the car. I'm sweating it down because I decided to wear my Raptors sweatshirt. Who asked me? That's not even my team, but he stays interrupting my vlog. Anyways, we are en road to downtown. So much traffic. 46 minutes. And then we're gonna go grab food and some more drinks.
Are we gonna grab food and drinks?
I mean, I already started drinking,
Because
so.
we're late because of somebody.
The game doesn't have till 7:30.
Put on 100 layers to go to a basketball game.
Would it be better if I took off all my layers
It'd
to go
be
to a
better if
basketball?
you just dress like a normal
I was wearing sweatpants.
basketball attendee.
I was wearing
No,
sweatpants.
there were sweatpants.
I changed to jeans. Literally, we're wearing the same outfit.
Yeah, but you took 100 years.
I had to put on an eyelash, you know. Anywho's, this is the first game of the week. We got 2 games this week. I hope for the next game I'll be more prepared. We'll see. We'll see. Hello, happy Friday. We are heading to another Raptors game this week. I think I mentioned I was going to 2 this week, and I'm so tired. It has been a hell of a week and a hell of a work day, and I really just want to put on my pajamas and go to bed. But we're going outside. Your old lady friend is going outside. Crazy. Anyways, quickly, because I'm already late. I should have been pretty with my face on and ready to be in public already, but I just needed to wash my face and do this all over again when I got home. It's just a hectic day, you know, when you have to like start over. It's definitely one of those days. Anyways, I did get a couple packages in the mail, so I wanted to show you guys that as I get ready, or maybe after I get ready, and then I'm going to take y'all on a game day with me again, but this one's a little bit different. This one we're going with Hennessy, so we're going to be watching the game from a box, and then Daryl and I are also staying in Yorkville for the night instead of coming home. A little staycation. We were just doing a lot. Wildin'. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, I'm dressed. This is what I'm wearing. You guys probably gonna see this on a casual spring outfit video before you see this on the vlog. But this is my For Love and Lemons crop top, super cute. You could take off the shoulders, so I have them unbuttoned on both sides. My mango trousers that I love, and I'm wearing my Jill Sander platform sneakers. But before all that, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so first up, this hat from Ruslan Baginski. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's a Ukraine designer. Alright, so I'm very excited. I've wanted these hats, like one of these hats, for a very long time. Cute, right? Straw. I have an affinity for straw hats. I swear to God, you guys know I have that Gucci, big Gucci hat I love. And now this. We love this though. So cute, right? Okay, and then next, I got this. You guys are gonna see more of like a thorough review and compare. I found a high street dupe, and I'm gonna do a comparison video. But ASMR. Ta-da! And I'm not gonna lie to you, I like them more than I thought I would. Definitely didn't think I would like them at all. But again, thorough review is to come. So now I have to leave. We're going to grab drinks and then go to the game, and I'll take you guys along for that. welcome back to the vlog. This is gonna be the last day of this vlog. I'm doing a lot, so I thought I would take you guys along. It is Saturday the 23rd, and I am finally going to high tea with my goddaughter and my bestie. Yeah, this morning. So this morning I have woken up. I went on my walk with Nicole, my 5K walk with Nicole. We try to do that every Saturday and Sunday. I think we're gonna try to do it during the week too, you know, just to get our bodies moving after work and stuff when it gets warmer, because you know it's Toronto and Toronto is psychotic, really chooses when to be hot and cold. Like, it's pretty cold today, but tomorrow it's gonna be really, really nice. Anyway, so I went on my walk. Now I'm getting ready. We're going to high tea with my little god baby. I know I've talked about it in a couple other videos where I was wearing like outfits that were high tea appropriate. So we're doing it, and then I'm going to the game, and I feel like there's a lot of basketball in this vlog already. Like, the beginning of the vlog, I think I took you guys to 2 games. So that was regular season, the end of regular season games. Now we're on game 4 of the first round of playoffs against Philadelphia, and the Raptors are probably gonna get swept. Sorry, Raptors. So I had to go. It was gonna be a must. Like, it's gonna be the last basketball game of the season for us to be able to like physically go to, because you know our other teams, like Daryl's a Knicks fan and they're not in the playoffs, and I'm a Pistons fan, and same deal. So the Raptors are all we had, and it's about to be over, so we're gonna be there. I won't put you guys through that. More basketball in a vlog, like that's a lot of basketball. So you're just gonna come with me to high tea. I'm getting ready, just curled my hair. I still have to brush them out, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Don't mind the state of my office, it's crazy right now. But this is the magenta dress that I'll be wearing. And then here are my John Vito Rossi shoes in the pink magenta color to match. I'm dead. I'm really gonna walk through the mall like this, but whatever, we move. It's a photo shoot. Hi, mamas. Look at Cass's fit. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. It's my sweet angel.